The secret to breathtaking chrysanthemum blooms in fall actually begins months earlier during the quiet off-season. At sunrise, the garden awakens. These chrysanthemums need care. Check the roots by gently lifting the plant. Loosen the soil with a trowel to improve drainage. Finally, give them a deep soak with the hose. In the off-season, gentle pruning prepares chrysanthemums for new growth. Use sharp shears for a clean cut just above a leaf node. This maintains shape and encourages vigorous spring blooms. It's important to add mulch around your chrysanthemums before the cold sets in. This layer protects the roots from frost and keeps moisture in. Spread it out evenly, about 2 inches thick. In the off-season, chrysanthemum care focuses on nurturing the green leaves. Soft sunlight and gentle watering promote healthy growth for future blooms.
Let's check the soil moisture for these chrysanthemums. Insert your finger about 2 inches deep. If it's dry, it's time to water them. This prevents overwatering during the off-season. For off-season chrysanthemum care, start by deadheading faded blooms. This encourages new growth for next season. Next, loosen the soil to improve drainage and aeration. Finally, give them a deep watering. These faded blooms need to go. Removing them keeps the plants healthy. Just pinch at the base and pull. This prevents disease. This prepares them for strong growth next season.
In the off-season, a light mulch protects chrysanthemum roots. Trim back dead stems to conserve energy for spring. This simple care ensures healthy blooms next year. To prepare soil for off-season chrysanthemums, we'll mix in compost for nutrients. Next, add perlite for drainage and to prevent compaction. Now thoroughly mix the ingredients until texture is uniform. The soil is now ready for your chrysanthemums. Bright morning light is perfect for chrysanthemum care, even off-season. Prune spent blooms to encourage new growth. Weed and check the soil's moisture. Water at the base to avoid disease.
Let's check these leaves for any off-season pests or damage. This one looks healthy, with good color and no spots. I'll trim this small damaged edge to keep it thriving.
In the off-season, a thick mulch layer protects the roots of your chrysanthemum plant from frost. Add a few inches of organic mulch, like shredded bark or leaves. Gently spread it around the base to retain moisture and insulate the soil.
These chrysanthemums need more sun in the off-season. Let's move them. I'll carry this one over to the sunny spot. Place it here and pat the soil down gently. This will help them thrive until spring.
In the off-season, cleanup is key for healthy chrysanthemums. Cut back the dead stems and foliage to the base. This prevents disease and encourages new growth. Your plants will thank you next season. In the off-season, trim your chrysanthemums back to about 4 inches. Use clean, sharp shears for a precise cut. Cut just above a node to encourage new growth. Dispose of the trimmings. On this calm, cloudy day, our chrysanthemums rest in the off-season. Continue to water them lightly at the base, and add a layer of mulch to protect the roots.
In the off-season, we check the chrysanthemum roots gently. Loosen the soil carefully to inspect the roots. Look for healthy white tips. This plant is thriving.
During the off-season, adding compost to your chrysanthemum is key. Gently work it into the topsoil around the base. This boosts nutrients and helps your plant thrive next season. This garden pathway is lined with chrysanthemums, perennials that need care even in the off-season. First, remove spent blooms and dry leaves. This prevents disease and encourages new growth next season. Your garden will thank you. Start by removing dry leaves from the base of the chrysanthemum. This prevents rot and encourages healthy new growth. Gently pull the dry leaves away from the plant. Your plant is now ready for the season. For off-season chrysanthemum care, a light fertilizer sprinkle helps prepare the plants. Apply it evenly at the base, focusing on the root zone. This ensures strong growth when the season returns. Frost is here, we need to protect the mums. A light spray of water raises the temperature around the plants. Next, we cover them to hold in the warmth.
First, clear away any old leaves and debris. This prevents pests and diseases. Now, apply a thick layer of mulch. This protects the roots over winter.
In the off-season, I check the spacing on these chrysanthemums. Using the trowel, I measure between the stems. They need about 18 inches. This gives them room to breathe, preventing disease and encouraging growth. In the off-season, a gentle glow helps our chrysanthemums rest. Lightly trim the stems to focus the plant's energy. Next, loosen the soil at the base for better air and water flow. This prepares them for the next season. For off-season care, prune your chrysanthemums to promote healthy growth. Use sharp shears to cut stems at a 45-degree angle just above a leaf node. This encourages new shoots and prevents disease. Repeat for a fuller plant. Off-season is the perfect time to prepare fresh soil for your chrysanthemums. Combine garden soil, compost, and perlite for the ideal mix. Mix thoroughly to aerate the soil and ensure good drainage. Your plants will thank you next season.
In the off-season, chrysanthemums need minimal care. Gently clear away dead leaves and stems. Add a light layer of mulch to protect the roots.
In the off-season, chrysanthemums need all the light they can get. Rearrange the container to face the sun, preventing spindly growth. This simple step ensures strong plants for next season.
Off-season is key for pest checks. I'm looking under these leaves for aphids. This one looks clear, a good sign. Now, to check the rest. For off-season care, mix a balanced 20 ml of water, pour steadily. Shake vigorously, dissolve the nutrients. This feed promotes strong roots and healthy foliage. Apply monthly for vibrant mums.
Gently remove any yellow or damaged leaves. Use sharp shears for clean cuts. Cut spent stems back to the base. This encourages new, healthy growth. In the off-season, chrysanthemums need care to thrive next year. Cut back dead stems and clear away fallen leaves. This prepares the plants for healthy spring growth.
In the off-season, adding a compost top layer protects chrysanthemum roots. Use a trowel to spread it evenly around the base. This insulates the soil and adds nutrients for spring. Good morning! Time to water the chrysanthemums for off-season care. Pour slowly at the base to avoid splashing the leaves. This keeps the roots healthy. See you tomorrow!
In the off-season, inspect your chrysanthemum stems closely. Check for firmness and green color. Trim any brown or dead sections at the base. This ensures healthy spring growth. Prepare plant beds for off-season chrysanthemum care by turning the soil. Use a garden fork to loosen and aerate the soil. Then, spread a layer of mulch to protect the roots. This ensures healthy plants next season. Off-season care for chrysanthemums involves removing weak stems. Locate the thin, weak stems that won't produce flowers. Position your shears and make a clean cut. This promotes strong growth next season. After careful off-season nurturing, these chrysanthemum buds are finally beginning to form. Their slow, gentle emergence promises vibrant blooms to come, a quiet testament to the rewards of patient care. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base of your chrysanthemum plants. Use a garden fork to spread the mulch evenly. This layer insulates the roots and helps retain moisture through the off-season. Off-season is key for chrysanthemums. First, we prune the dead stems. Next, add a layer of mulch to protect the roots. Finally, a light watering helps them stay hydrated. And that's it for now. During the off-season, we check chrysanthemum soil moisture to avoid overwatering. Use a trowel to dig gently next to the roots. This dark, clumpy soil means it's still moist. No need to water yet. During the off-season, healthy chrysanthemums still need care. First, we'll prune any dead or damaged leaves. This encourages new growth for the next season. Now, a gentle watering keeps the roots strong. During the off-season, we check chrysanthemum soil moisture to avoid overwatering. Use a trowel to dig gently next to the roots. This dark, clumpy soil means it's still moist. No need to water yet. For off-season care, dissolve fertilizer in water. Pour the granules into the water, stir until fully dissolved. This provides essential nutrients. Now it's ready for your chrysanthemums. In the off-season, chrysanthemums look tired. A simple pruning encourages new, healthy growth. Follow with a liquid feed for vibrant results. Watch them transform into a lush display. In the off-season, check your chrysanthemum's drainage. Gently lift the pot and inspect the hole. Ensure it's clear to prevent waterlogging. This keeps roots healthy until spring.
For off-season chrysanthemum care, we'll build a balanced compost pile. Start with a base of dry browns like leaves. Next, add a layer of green materials. Turn the layers to aerate the pile.
Early spring is a great time to prepare chrysanthemums for the season. First, clear away any dead foliage from last year. Then, apply a layer of organic mulch to protect the new growth.
Even in the off-season, chrysanthemums need gentle care. A light tilling of the soil keeps the roots healthy. Snipping spent blooms encourages future growth. A serene sunset rewards the patient gardener.
These weeds are taking over. I'll clear them out. Got to get the roots to stop them coming back. There, much better. The mums can breathe now. First, we rake the soil to level the bed. Next, spread compost for added nutrients. Finally, mix it in well for the best results.
These are the healthy stems of a chrysanthemum plant. In the off-season, inspect them for any signs of damage. Gently feel the stems to ensure they are firm. In the off-season, chrysanthemums require minimal care to prepare for spring. Apply a thick layer of mulch around the base to protect the roots from frost. Trim back dead stems to encourage new growth. In the off-season, check your chrysanthemums for leaf health. Look for discoloration or spots, which can indicate disease. Gently turn the leaf over to inspect the underside. Healthy leaves are vibrant. In the off-season, chrysanthemums need balanced sunlight. These plants in full sun have strong stems and buds. Plants in partial shade have lighter leaves. This balance promotes healthy growth without damage. In the off-season, care ensures your chrysanthemums thrive. First, remove spent flowers with clean shears. Next, water at the base to keep the soil moist. Finally, a diluted liquid fertilizer boosts growth. Chrysanthemum care in off-season, a guide to keeping your garden thriving.